Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, cream softened butter or margarine, sugar, and lemon zest. You can use a wooden spoon to cream the butter. Add 1 egg at a time as you mix. A big shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for your loyal support. Now we add vanilla essence and mix. Sift in flour with baking powder and a pinch of salt. Stop mixing when all comes together to avoid overmixing. Add lemon juice, milk, and mix. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Pour the batter into a baking pan lined with a baking paper. Level the batter and tap it a few times. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the topping. In a container, place condensed milk. Add lemon juice and mix. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Cool the cake until warm. Poke it. Spread the topping while it is still in the pan and spread generously. Now sprinkle the cake with lemon zest. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. The cake is delicious. Try it. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.